I wanted to know which animals live on this river. So I drove to this forest and went on a long hike, and I could not believe what I saw.